So it was very great actually. All these people are my friends actually.
Great, that's nice.
And all the new machineries, it is a good chance for anybody to come and see the new technologies which is prevailing.
It is very impressive.
Okay.
So we used to deal with this machineries for last 4 or 5 years,
Okay.
and yes, the setup is very impressive, and we had a well interaction, a very good interaction with the people over here.
Centered and arranged. So thanks to Sanit and Mr. Basant and Anjali for inviting.
Thank you very much. It was my pleasure to see you here after so many years of this kind of the situation with the COVID. I think this was a fantastic idea.
Gilbert Flamenco, once again at the exhibition. Really fantastic to have come here. Great people, great machinery, wonderful technology. Really excellent that we had the opportunity to see this. I hope they can have a lot of business going forward. Thank you once again. Yes.
I find it very impressive. It's a large variety of machines which are quite interesting, and I'm sure that we will be back here.
I find some new solutions, especially for piping, polishing or buffing, and for rolling the difficult profile, aluminum profile. This is really, I am working 20 years in this field. This first time I saw these solutions.
It's very nice. So many types of different categories of machineries, tools. It's good. Yeah, I appreciate it. Good. Yeah. Thank you for. Yeah, of course. Thank you very much for calling and having me here. Thank you very much.